Hi there. Another Monday Mindset video. Today we are talking about the concept there are more hours in the day than you realize. Now, obviously, there are 24 hours in a day. This isn't some like conspiracy theory video where a day is actually 25 hours long, right? But we're getting across the idea here that if you actually make the most of the hours in a day is quite a long time and you can get plenty of stuff done, right? This is particularly applicable in these summer weeks. Maybe we're on summer holiday, vacation, and we just have one day after another with very little like organized structured tasks in place, and we have grand ideas of what we want to achieve during that summer break, but we never really kind of get started and get anything actually done towards those, right? So my recommendation in terms of how to make the most of the number of hours a day, I have three main strategies, right? So strategy number one is go to bed at a reasonable time and wake up at a reasonable time, right? Try and actually stick to a reasonable schedule. So 8 hours sleep is a good idea, right? I'll be honest, I'm probably nearly at 9 hours sleep at the moment, right? I'm pretty much like 10 p.m., go to bed, 7 a.m., get up, something like that, right? Which is pretty good, but that's because I'm on holiday. I'm enjoying that extra hour, right? But 8 hours sleep is fine, like 10:30 till 6:30. That's pretty good. If you're a student, probably a teenager, then that's probably a fairly good minimum to aim for. And then if you can try and get 9 hours, great. All right. So that's the first thing. If you do that, you'll be up early. What you don't want to do is stay up till like midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and then not wake up in the morning. That's a great recipe for not getting stuff done in the daytime, right? Because we know you're not doing anything useful like after 9 p.m. Yeah, you're not doing studying, you're not like learning something new, you're not achieving anything after 9 p.m. You just sat there doing nothing, right? So get up nice and early and go to bed early. That's my first top tip. Second top tip, organize your day. Try and structure your day to get in all the activities that are important to you. Now, this feeds back into our 7 habits with habit number 3. Again, put first things first, right? That's the idea that we can organize our tasks in terms of quadrants. They call them quadrants. Quadrant 1 was the urgent and important ones, the things we have to do that are really important. We need to do them soon. Quadrant 2 were the important but not urgent tasks, right? Things like working on long-term goals and long-term projects that are important but don't need to be done right now. Quadrant 3 was urgent but not important. We want to minimize how much time we spend on those. And then quadrant 4, that was the not urgent, not important, the procrastination, the silly tasks that don't mean anything, right? So really, when we're talking about making the use of the hours in a day, we know we've got to do those quadrant 1 tasks, right? And to a certain degree, we may have to do quadrant 3 tasks, urgent, not important to us, but important to someone else, maybe. But those quadrant 2 tasks, that's where we really make the most of the day. That's the difference between quadrant 2 and quadrant 4 is where you make the most of your day. So scheduling time into your daily plan, into your daily routine for those big, important, long-term goal kind of things, right? Maybe at the start of the summer holiday, you wanted to learn a language. Well, scheduling time to use Duolingo, right? I do Spanish on Duolingo every single day. You schedule in time to do that, only 15 minutes or whatever, you're going to make good progress. Maybe you wanted to, I don't know, write a story this summer. You had like an idea for a story and you wanted to write it, or maybe you wanted to learn how to draw or paint a bit better. I don't know, something like that. All you need to do is schedule time into your day to actually get started and do a little bit every day, and you will improve and you will get better. And more importantly, you will feel happier because you are making the most of your day. You're not wasting it on nonsense, right? Now, on my third tip then, to minimize wasting it on nonsense, get a usage app on your phone, right? These track how long you use different applications, how many times you open your phone, how much time your phone is like with the screen awake, as it were, during the day, right? This can really help you to recognize how much time you waste, quote unquote, on like phone related tasks, social media, etc., and cut down on those. Yeah, really can help you like understand how much time you waste. Okay, and I do say waste because even though social media has its place, it can be useful, right? I'm not saying get rid of it entirely, but realistically, there's no difference between going on for 10 minutes 3 times a day and going on for 10 minutes 20 times a day, right? But a lot of you probably do go on it 20 times a day, right? So trying to cut down so you're only wasting half an hour on it instead of like 4 hours on it, that'll make a huge difference, wouldn't it? Right? So recognizing what tasks are sort of unnecessary procrastination and trying to cut those down, and then fill them in with actual useful tasks, right? Quadrant 2 tasks, as it were, or even useful sharpening the saw tasks, right? I'm not saying don't watch stuff on Netflix, don't play computer games. They have their place for your sort of you time and your shutting off your brain from other stuff time, right? But that needs to be kind of like targeted focus time so you actually feel refreshed afterwards, right? Like I'm going to do this for 1 hour, I'm going to watch 2 episodes and that's it, right? If you just sit there and just don't do anything, you're not going to feel as refreshed afterwards, and you're not going to have achieved anything or work towards your goals, right? So those are my tips then for making the most out of the hours in the day. There are more hours in the day than you recognize. You just need to get organized, get up early, get organized, and understand what tasks take up your time without refreshing you. Get rid of those, and then you'll make the most of them. Slayers.